Turn that music down. Yeah. Key. You're at the bakery. I forgot about that. Sorry. Forgot about the thing. Yeah, just sit down. What do you want? I don't know. Just go get some food. Okay, sorry. Oh, your daughter, she's a troublemaker. She's not. She uses the shampoo. Now shut up, because look at your hair. That's not funny. Well, I'll just run over here. See. Carrot? Meh. Ooh, bread. A bread. Well, I mean, I am a bird. Oops. Huh. What is this? Okay, I'll put it on. Yeah. Okay. Bread. Love bread. Get in. Yeah. Whatever. I like birdseed more. Well, I mean, I am a parakeet. Check out the bread. I don't need an extra bread, but let's take it anyways. They're not paying attention. Did you just steal? Yeah, so we just better get out of here. I'll clean off your face. Now, I like it. No, Mango. What? Yeah. It's not you, I like it. Easter egg. Well, it doesn't open. You can't eat it, so... No, eat it. No. Let's go home. Okay. I mean, that's not gonna be our home for long. Okay. What? I thought we were going to the cozy home. Well, I mean, this is where you messed up. Yeah, messed your stuff. Can I fix it? I wouldn't put that back on. Well, if it messes you up more, it's not gonna mess me up more. You mess me up. Don't put it on your body. You didn't do anything. Yeah. At least Lena got her bag from. Yeah. No. Clean your face. Clean. It isn't clean. Let's go past her. The bubbles don't even work. They're going past her. What? This is glitchy bubbles. What's that on your head? I don't know. But let's fix your hair. No, I like my hair. Okay. You keep it like this. Why? I like it. You can make your hair like that any day. I want it like this. Okay, fine. You can keep it like that. But we're gonna clean your face. Hey. You just told me to get out. I'm sorry, but it's my bed. You're acting like children. I am a child. Don't yell at me. Mumbles, you're acting like a child. But I'm only 4 years old, you know. That's a grown up in bird years, you know. Sorry, didn't mean to get in the bed. Wait, you're 4 years old? I'm 4 years old. You're not 4 years old, you're only like 2. So you should be like a baby, a toddler by now. Maybe even a teenager. Bird years. Yeah. Wait, what? Did Daddy really mean he's 4 years old? Yeah. But I think that means he's a grown up. Right? I'm 4 years old. Shut up. I don't care if you're 4 years old. Shut up. Get me these stinky glasses off my face. Yeah. Ooh, I'll keep them. No, don't put those on. Take the hat, Sid. Yay, now I have Roy on me. Who? The boy in Gotcha? Oh yeah. I forgot about him. You do not look the same. Leave us alone. Do you know we have to be in almost in every single video? You know who has to be in every single video? Who? Alina and Jellybean. For the bird family. On Grace's profile picture. Well, But we're not getting used much. Doesn't mean you have to be jealous. Yeah, I'm not jealous. Yes, you are. But I think that's Grace's best friend. Shut up. Nobody was talking to you. You don't even have your own room. Sleep on the floor. What? Why did you say that? Shut up. Go to sleep. Ugh. You're not going to sleep and you're sleeping. Take up the whole bed. Don't worry. We'll get you a room. Okay. Maybe you'll just have to sleep out here for now. That's just really nice. It's not. I'm sorry. You're not sleeping in the bathroom. I'll sleep downstairs with you. Hey, yo. No, I didn't mean like that. Come on, let's just go downstairs. Hey, how come you only go down the stairs? Let's go. I could never pick both of them up. Hey, you're not the pillow. Take off your glasses. Don't want anybody to crack them. Go to sleep. I forgot to put them to bed. Watch TV. I'm so excited for the new rap show to pop up. And now I'm watching it. After this commercial. I don't want a stinky commercial. No. I don't care about Stinky O. What was that? Stupid TV. The TV. What did you do? Sorry. Let me see if I can fix it. Ow. Ow, that hurt. Okay, let's just... is it an earthquake? I think it's an earthquake. Can't get my glasses. Oh. That's why I sleep with my glasses on. There. Good night. Don't touch. Okay. I'm up here. Well, why are we down here with the bedrooms and stuff? I mean, with the stuff. The kitchen stuff and the living room stuff. I want to be with the bedroom stuff. Hi, you look cute. I love the hair. But yeah. Why is your hair like that? Ew. Oh, I can get that bookshelf. I'll take that. You don't look that bad. We'll take that bookshelf tomorrow. Yeah. Everyone should know about, everyone's Toys Club. Lisa and her evil twin. This thing, it looks so scary. Just ew. No, you can't do that. Go. Yeah. No wonder she looks bad because I'm doing this to her. But go. I don't want to see you. Go. Can I put you in a box? No, leave. Leave. Just sit down somewhere. Evil twin. Yeah. Never play with somebody's evil twin. Now, if it was my evil twin, then it would try to take over my life. You don't know, it could be a boy. But it's most likely a girl, so they can pretend to be you. Ooh, pens. You like it? Yes. Well, whatever.